There's a war going on outside, no child is safe from.
Born anemic. After mother gave birth to the son of a father that was deficient. Missing. Youth league achievements, adolescent temptations, having relations with the unguided conscience, unconsciously caught in the rapture of a teenage love, attracted to active asphalt, clutching concrete confidence.
I am the sun. There's a hole in my soul I tried to fill with my passions, but it is bottomless. Researching all the states of mind, shame looms like thunderclouds on distant horizons. I birth my seeds and scatter them to the four winds.
Gazing through the window of life, looking back and see a sweet 16 screaming,
"Fuck the NCAA Sweet 16!"
My scoring came from an M16, sword on thought, double barrel desires, a ski mask, black and power and white line scenes.
Feeling myself, the progeny of the angry.